Hi there, and welcome to our course on Google Apps Scripts Quick Start Guide to get you started quickly working with Google Apps Scripts. My name is Lawrence, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I come to you with many years of web development experience, and I really enjoy working with JavaScript, and I was so happy to find that Google Apps Scripts uses JavaScript, so it's like JavaScript in the cloud with a bunch of extra classes and methods to really power up your G Suite of products. I'm going to be walking you through the basics on how to get started, what Google Apps Script is, and how to incorporate Google Apps Script in order to create some really nice advanced functionality and integrate your Google suite of products. All of the source code is also included to get you started quickly, and I really do encourage you to try the code out for yourself, as well as check out the resources that are going to be mentioned within the lessons. I've also included a handy resource guide so that you can copy the code, click the links, and check out all of the resources as you progress through the lessons. JavaScript is a prerequisite to this course, and Google Apps Script is based on JavaScript, so essential to know JavaScript before beginning the lessons of this course. JavaScript and the functionality of JavaScript is going to be a crucial part in understanding the lessons of this course. We're going to be showing you how you can, with just a few lines of code, do some amazing things, such as send emails, create documents, select existing documents, update existing documents, parse through existing documents, as well as spreadsheets, interacting with existing spreadsheets, selecting the data that's contained within those spreadsheets, and everything in between. Now, there's a lot of things that you can do with Google Apps Script. I'm going to be showing you some of the more common functionality, such as interacting with the UI. You can create additional items within the menu and have those add additional functionality to users. You can also have prompts and alerts. So prompts allow you to take in information, and you can use that information within your code, selecting where the cursor is located, and then creating even more interaction to create some dynamic functionality and more advanced functionality within the Google suite of products. We're also going to be showing you some to copy and paste content in, as well as selecting and updating content depending on where the cursor is located. If you have any questions or comments, I'm always happy to help within the Q&A section to clarify any content and address any concerns or questions you may have. So I know you're excited to get started, so let's dive right in and start building out some applications using Google Apps Script.